see what's going on behind me? That's NAA's Maintenance Mania. Hey, I'm Matt Easton, the founder of Leasing University, and I want to talk for a moment to my maintenance professionals out there, my guys and gals in maintenance. You are the lifeblood of our organization. Keep our properties running. You keep our residents happy. Without maintenance, we'd be nowhere. And I know this personally because my father was in maintenance for 30 years. Listen, I know you guys can turn a unit. I know you gals can change a water heater. I know you've got all the skills. But you tell me right now, are you struggling dealing with the personal relationships, handling those difficult residents? Well, I'm here to help. All that ends today. I'm gonna show you how to deal with residents in a way that's gonna save you time. You're gonna be able to get more done, and your residents are gonna be so much happier, and they're gonna stop complaining to you. They're gonna stop hunting you down. I'm gonna give you the tools that you need to deal with even the most difficult resident. What I want you to do is I want you to check out the link below to our maintenance training over at leasinguniversity.com. That's leasinguniversity.com. There's a whole course on maintenance training. It's simple, it's easy. It's gonna be me working with you in a video setting. It's not gonna be a lot of textbooks and tests, but I'm gonna change your life. I'm gonna make your job so much easier. I'm gonna help you deal with the most difficult situations. Click the link below or check us out over at leasinguniversity.com and scroll down to the maintenance section. If you have any questions at all, call my office, 888-735-7451, and let them know you're in maintenance. Mention my dad, Roy. They'll connect you right through to my mobile. I'm passionate about helping my maintenance professionals. I love you. Till the next video, be great. And instead of get those leases, let's keep those residents. Facilities and maintenance. Finally, there's some training that's available. Now, not the technical training. I'm not going to show you how to fix a water heater, but I'm going to give you that core training that is going to help you deal with your current residents. Keep a positive attitude. Get more done. Help your leasing agents close more leases. You're going to have the skills so that you're not constantly being bombarded by current residents. You're not dealing with unrealistic expectations that you're superhuman and you can somehow go back in time and fix a problem before it ever occurred. Your residents are going to love you. I'm going to give you the tools and techniques that you need in order to start your day, get more done, keep a positive attitude, and deal with anything that comes at you. This is the Leasing University system for maintenance.